Hello guys, I'm Professor. My name is Nusoti Mendez, and as you know guys, we are learning English. In this case, learning English as a second language. Like basically, we are in a second language acquisition. So in the process of learning a new language, guys, we have to be involved in many situations. Sometimes they can be negative and sometimes they can be positive. So those factors related to the process while learning English as a second language, we can call them affective factors. And that's why today Luciana, Lourdes, Ambioris, and me, Miosotti Mendez, we are going to talk a little bit more about this topic, affective factors. We are going to give an explanation, a big explanation about what affective factor is, all the things involved on this topic, and then in order for you to get a clear knowledge about this, and in that way you can talk about affective factors in an open way, guys. So here we have, let's see, affective domain. Not affective domains at this time, but we are going to define affective factors, and these are emotional factors which influence learning, and as I said, they can have positive and negative effect depending on the situation. So negative factors are called affective factors, and they are an important idea in theory about second language acquisition. Affective factors include inhibition, attitudes, level of anxiety, and self-esteem. So then we have affective domain. But first of all, we are going to define what affect is. Affect, guys, refers to an emotion or feeling. Then, affective domain is the emotional side of human behavior, like personality, feelings, etc. So also we have Benjamin Bloom's conception about affective domain, and this is about internationalization of affectivity and involve 5 steps. Those steps are receiving, as you see, responding, valuing, organization, and characterization. On the first one, as it says, receiving, this is about receive. On this one, guys, we became aware of our environment and perceived situations, people, and objects, and given stimulus our select attention. On the second one, responding, the response is usually voluntary. Valuing, this is more about belief and attitudes are internalized as we commit themselves. And finally, to the point of conviction. Organization, our values are now ready to be organized into a system of belief as we determine into relationships. Finally, we have characterization. So we develop a self-identity as we conceptualize ourselves in terms of our value. So now we have two extremely important concepts and a theory while talking about English as the second language, like second language acquisition. So we have self-esteem. This is at the heart of virtually every aspect of human behavior. And self-efficacy is the belief in your own capacity to successfully perform an activity. So then we have the theory, attribution and self-efficacy. This theory focuses on how people explain the causes of their success and failure. This one is about 4 concept explanation for success and failure in achieving a personal objective or goal. Those 4 concept explanations are ability, effort, perceived difficulty of tasks, and luck. So then, ability and effort depends on the internal of the learner, and the last 2 depend on the external of the learner. So now, guys, as I said, my partner Luciana is going to explain a little bit more about the topic. So thank you so much for your attention. Bye-bye.